So I'm Jonas Svensson. My title is Community Program Manager, and as that title entails, my role involves community. I work with our betas, our Microsoft Most Valuable Professionals that are working on home server. I work with those fine guys and gals monthly, if not weekly. I also do some interaction with our support folks, make sure we've got the right knowledge base articles and people to answer phones if heaven forbid someone needs support. And I work with events, so you may see me representing Windows Home Server at an event such as SMB Nation or the Professional Developers Conference, stuff like that. A favorite feature of mine has been all the way going back to before the betas and some of the alphas when I first got exposed to Windows Home Server. It's been remote access. And that's something that I still find myself using a couple of times a week to check on the status of my server, remote desktop into some of my machines that I have at home connected to my home server, and just check to make sure certain tasks are happening. And the certain tasks that I check on the most, believe it or not, are my media center recordings. So I'm one of those that likes to be sure that things are taking place as they should, and whenever I know there's a big night of TV coming up, I'll find myself using remote access to get control of my media center at home, just to be sure that all of my favorite television is set to record. So remote access is another one of my favorite features. Well, I actually have two home servers. I have what is my production home server, and I call it production because it's the one that I least like downtime on. And what that home server does is backs up my computers in my house and also offers remote access. So that's my one quote-unquote production machine. It backs up, and I'm just going to have to count here, 5 PCs. And that does not have a lot of storage. That has just under a terabyte. And again, the majority of the workload that home server does is remote access, so I can get access to those 5 PCs, and it backs up those 5 PCs. Now I have a second Windows Home Server. It's actually an HP Media Smart, which I have added an external eSATA cage to it, which enables me to add more than just the 4 internal drives. Now that's my storage home server, and that actually has 7 terabytes of space total, and I believe I have about 1.1 terabytes free at the moment.